Hey there, little buddies. Do you know what secrets are? They're special little pieces of information that we sometimes share with our best friends. Today, I have a heartwarming story about a boy named Tommy and his best friend, Lucy. Tommy loved playing in the park, and Lucy was always right there beside him. One sunny afternoon, Tommy whispered a secret to Lucy. He told her about his favorite hiding spot, where he found the biggest, shiniest treasure in the park. It was a secret just for them. Lucy promised to keep Tommy's secret safe, and she did. They played and laughed, knowing they had something special that only they knew. But one day, Lucy had a tough decision to make. Another friend, Max, was feeling really sad because he couldn't find any treasures. Lucy felt a little twist in her tummy. Should she tell Tommy's secret to cheer up Max? She thought really hard and decided to talk to Tommy first. When she asked him, Tommy smiled and said, "Let's show Max our secret treasure spot together." Max was over the moon. He felt so happy and included. And guess what? Tommy and Lucy learned that sometimes sharing secrets can make friendships even stronger. So remember, little buddies, secrets are special. But sometimes sharing them with the right people can bring even more joy. Just make sure to always trust and talk to your friends first. Thanks for listening. See you next time. Bye.